At this point, a jury's already made up their mind. But I think in the hush money case, they have not made up their minds at all. They're wide open as to what they're going to do. And if you recall, a lot of folks said, well, these jurors are going to drop out. It's going to be too much pressure. All 12 folks who are on that jury are locked in on this case. And so I think the closing arguments will be critical in the case. I think each side will have to lay out why they think they should win. I think the jury will be very attentive. I think the delay, it's kind of been a reset for everyone. But I think the closing argument, Sean, will be critical in the case, unlike most criminal cases. The prosecution will say, look, we've proved what we set out to prove, that Mr. Pecker, Mr. Cohen, and Mr. Trump got together. They had a conspiracy to kind of keep bad news away from the public, to buy it off, the hush money payment, and specifically to Stormy Daniels, and that the former president covered it up. He wrote checks to Michael Cohen for a retainer when really it was reimbursing him for the hush money payments to Stormy Daniels. The defense had a very effective cross-examination of Michael Cohen. And I think they will say to the jury, look, you can't believe anything he said. He stole from the Trump organization. He lied to you about one of the critical conversations with the former president. You can't convict anybody on Michael Cohen's testimony. And the only way the prosecutors win is if you believe him, because ultimately the critical conversations were one-on-one with Cohen and Trump, either by phone or in person. So the defense is going to hammer that no one should be convicted by Michael Cohen, much less a former president.